Hey everybody, welcome. Today I'm about to show you how to choose from the best dental insurances in the USA. So this is my list over here, and you can see first one is the Dan Alley Dental. This is the best overall. So all of these basically have their pros and cons. Then we have the Delta Dental that you can go with as well. Also really reliable dental care that you can get. We have Spirit Dental and Emirat. So basically, of these have 30% major care coverage from day one, rising to 60% in year four. Then we have $6,000 maximum beginning in year four, and we have orthodontics coverage available for adults as well. So really good to go with. You can see the monthly premium plans and many other details as well. So we can choose between these. Uh, Anyone is really free to go with anything that suits the best. So I hope this helps. See you guys in the next video.